Me and Mimi Home Decor and DIY. Today we're going to be doing a room makeover here. Really?
In Washington.
It's snowing real hard over here.
We're still in Washington, as you can see. And we are going to be working on Nevin's room here. Oops, there she is. And come across, baby.
Oh, okay.
And if you've previously seen her Arizona room, I'll link that below. We did the makeover for her room in Arizona. Now we're going to be doing her room here in Washington. Turn around, bub. There we go.
I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year.
All right, thanks.
2022.
What is that rattling?
I dropped I dropped.
Not dropped.
I mean.
You put.
I put one of these in there.
And we need every piece, right? So you need to fish that out. Okay, make it go all the way to the end. You hear it? Okay, now try to fish it.
Got it.
Did it touch your finger?
Yep.
Okay, you got it? Next time, don't drop stuff in random holes, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'll help you get it out.
Somewhat bizarre. It's a good bet is what it is, sir. People don't want to admit it, but they're fascinated with the exotic and the macabre. That's why we stare at it.
The bank is going to need substantial collateral.
Oh, of course. I wouldn't suggest otherwise. The deed entitled to my entire flotilla of trading vessels.
Okay, get Get another one. Hurry up, get another one. So we can, there you go. So we can keep it rolling, girl. Good job.
In the South China Seas.
In the South China Sea.
Deep in the South China Seas.
And what did we buy with this loan?
Good job.
Barnum's American Museum of Curiosities. What museum is it?